This is Hammer Blade V, and today I'll show how to fix the Wi-Fi connectivity problems on this device. So start by going into your device's settings, then enter the Wi-Fi category and try to switch off and on the use Wi-Fi option. Then, if the issue that you are having is related to one particular Wi-Fi network rather than to a Wi-Fi feature in general, try forgetting the network you are having problems with, and then reconnect your device to the same Wi-Fi network. Then you can also try to check whether your time and date are set correctly, or even better, simply enable the automatic or network provided date and time, ensuring that at all times your date and time will stay correct. In order to do that, once again launch the Settings app, here enter the System category, Date and Time, and switch on the Set Time Automatically Use Network Provided Time option, and also, just to be extra safe, switch on the Set Time Zone Automatically function as well. If neither of the aforementioned advices helped, you can, go for the more radical solution. And what I mean by that is you can reset your network settings and preferences back to default values. Keep in mind that this will clear all saved Wi-Fi networks and forget all saved Wi-Fi networks, and will also clear the list of paired Bluetooth devices. Anyway, in order to do that, enter the system settings, go into the reset options, reset network settings, and simply finish this process. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.